I just can't let you go. Lord knows that
What's up? What's up? Today is called Thursday Punch. I will be making some peanut punch. I will be using two different sets of ingredients to make a peanut punch. Ingredients will be dropped in the description box for you. So I'll be using Nutrament, two types of Supligen, Irish moss, peanut butter, and some oats. I'll be using French vanilla and almond in one. If persons are not able to have access to the Jamaican style Supligen, the option would be Nutrament and French vanilla. I added a few cubes of ice, a quarter cup unsalted nuts, quarter cup oatmeal, a quarter cup peanut Supligen, a quarter cup Vanilla Supligen, a quarter cup Nutrament, a quarter cup Irish moss. Then I added a tablespoon of peanut butter, a little vanilla, and some allspice. Add to your NutriBullet. Here I am pouring the ones I did with the all Jamaican Supligen and a little Nutriment. For the next one without the Jamaican Supligen, I added quarter cup nuts, I added a quarter cup Irish moss, I added 1 cup vanilla creamer, French vanilla creamer, and then I added a quarter cup almond milk, a little allspice, quarter cup oatmeal, or as thick as you want. You can add additional oatmeal in this to help to give the body that you want. I added a little hint of vanilla, which could be a quarter teaspoon, and then I added some peanut butter with a few cubes of ice. Then I added back to my NutriBullet. All ingredients will be in the description box. Thank you for stopping by my channel to enjoy these Thursday Punch peanut videos. I do hope that you too will like and you will try. Please remember to give your girl a like. It is free. The bottom left of each video is a little finger. Touch that finger and give your girl a like. It is free. Once you sign in, my videos are quick, they are short. Thank you for your support. Here are my peanut punches. Ingredients will be in the description box. I do hope that you'll enjoy it. I do hope that you too will try them and you will stop by. They tasted really, really good. See you soon.